this was a route today. We only had 147 miles to go. We started over here by the Home Depot. We came down 121, and today, after the Home Depot, we went on down 41, went by Dunellen, took this neat little way into Crystal River. Then right here's where Margarita Breeze is. We ate. Then half of our group headed back home. The other half ended up going over to Crystal River Harley-Davidson. Then we ended up heading back home, going through Williston, and then the only thing different today, when we went home, we took 41 and then 241 on up to Alachua. You know what's sad about this? We're going to pass Krispy Kreme donuts, and I have not yet till one day had their donuts when their light was on. I have never had their donuts there, period. Alright, this is the entrance to Margarita Breeze.
Yeah.
Is everything zipped up in your purse?
Yep. Your zipper.
Not a bad idea.
This didn't open till 11:30. I think it just turned 11:30. You gonna try that jack on the way home?
Yeah.
I won't put it on for the Harley shop. See if everybody wants to go to the Harley shop.
What?
See if everybody wants to go to the Harley shop.
Hey, girl.
Hey.
Ed.
That was a bump. That's all it was. It was a bump.
Hey, turn around. Turn around.
Hurry up.
God, that's a good picture of me. Let me fix my phone. Okay, get over there and back up some.
All right now, Ed.
Right here, turn around right there. Now, Michael, you just keep backing up, buddy.
Yeah, right.
Well, this is their website, and as it says Port Hotel and Marina. They got boats to rent, they got rooms to rent. Very interesting. Might be a nice group ride. Here we are walking, everybody's sitting at their table already. We're eating outside today. But I tell you what, this place has been a few different names, but all through it all, they must have the same employees, because this place has always accommodated us, even in emergencies. What I meant by emergency, there was one time where we came out here and we were only at like 15 or 20, and all of a sudden there was 35 of us, and they said, bring it on. That was Marcia's meal. She enjoyed it. It was stuffed flounder. It was real good. I'm trying to watch it, so I'm doing a pound of the boiled shrimp, and it was good. Edward here was finishing his hamburger. He said it was good. And Ed, he's doing like I am. He's taking pictures of all these foods. There's it. He's mighty proud of his fish and chips right there, as you can see. And then it was time to let Angel fly. Oh man, what a sweet drone. I mean, when I let Dammit fly, I'd want a shot or two of whiskey. My hands would start shaking. They were already shake. But Angel is sweet. She says, Michael, what do you want me to film? And I say, Angel, go over here and get a picture of this marina so everybody can see it. And Angel, she just goes over. And then after she gets out here, she turns around. She shows everything of the area. She shows the marina. What a sweet drone. This is a DJI. It's a Maverick Mini. And I'll tell you what, it's so neat, compact. I'm getting to really love this little drone, and it gives you a good view. That's where we're eating at, that one building there, but it gives you a good view where we're at, and to get a better view of the marina, I just kind of went down this way, and as you can see on the waterway, man, they're busy. All kinds of boats and kayaks out here and snorkeling. There's the marina. Most of their boats, I think, are out, but you see all those are all motel rooms over there, and I keep thinking about, man, this would be great for a overnighter, especially if they got a band playing and stuff like that. We can keep everybody right in this area. Well, let's go ahead and get one final pass with Angel. Man, what a pleasure, to fly. And like I said, there's the bar in the middle. There's the observatory deck, and like you can see, there's boats going by out here. There's people kayaking. It's really pretty cool. And the food is good. Everybody, I didn't hear any complaints at the meal. And again, like I said before, I think it was like, there was some kind of concert at Red Rock Crusher Canyon. And me, Marcia, and our buddy Steve and Jill came out here. And at the motel there on the right-hand side, all the way over there, top floor, was me and Marcia's room at one time. And this is definitely a place you want to check out. It is nice. Well, it was getting that time, like I said before. Half of us are going to go over to Harley. The other half are going to go ahead and head home. And our next stop here is Harley-Davidson at Crystal River. Now, like I said earlier, over here at Crystal River Harley-Davidson, and they had beer, they had a band playing. If we were staying over there at the motel, I would definitely give a couple of hours right here. But then it was time to head home, and it was 99 degrees.
This water vest seems to do the trick. Marcia's got one too.
I guess it wasn't the best day to try out them water vests, because I'll tell you what, there was so much rain ahead of us that by the time we got up there, that 99 degrees turned to 74, and me and Marsh were freezing wearing that water vest. Well, as we headed home, our group got smaller and smaller until there was 3, then 2 of us, me and Marcia. Hey guys, definitely check out Margarita Breeze. It is a neat place. A lot of stuff happening out there. And Crystal River, Florida, hey, that's one of our favorite little towns to always go motorcycling to. Well, until next time, we'll see you guys on the road. Catch you later.